Hi, good evening. I'm Lizzie by name. Today is 24th of April 2021. In today's mass indoctrination class, which is the 8th day teaching, I really learned a lot. Like I've been learning from the beginning of the class till this moment, and by His grace, I'll be a whole partaker of the whole class by His grace, because it's so interesting. So in today's class, I learned a lot, starting from the book of Romans 2, verse 23 to 24, which makes us understand that there are some that are boasting around that they know God, that they know the law of God, but they are dishonest to God. Through them, some people will never believe God based on what they are doing, but in their own mind, they say to people everywhere that they believe in God. Those people are the rejected ones by God. Yeah, because in the book of Titus 1 verse 16 makes us understand that there are some that profess that they know God, but in the work they deny Him by being disobedient unto good work. As far as we don't do good things, as far as we don't follow the order of God, as far as we don't follow the commandment of God, that means we don't know God, we don't know Him, we don't love Him. So we shouldn't claim to love God, making some people out there be discouraging some people out there. No, God is a man of His word. In the book of Ezekiel, we're made to understand that there are some that the Lord will make them not anymore a shepherd. They won't be allowed to feed their flocks or any other thing. They won't be allowed to do the work of God anymore because of what they are doing, feeding people with wrong ideas, wrong teaching experiences, worldly experiences. God will take His flock from them, and they won't be able to even feed themselves. Talk less of feeding someone. That's the reward of those that are against God. Luke 15 verse 17. There shall be joy in heaven over one sinner that repented. As far as we know God, we walk in the light of God. Then we preach to people, they got changed. Then heaven will be rejoiced because one has been added to the kingdom. Since we are the light of the world, like in the book of Matthew 5 verse 14, that you are the light of the world. Wherever we get to, the light should always shine in us. They should always see the light. They should always see the glory of God in us. That makes us the real child of God. In the book of 1 Timothy 5 verse 2, makes us understand that the Lord will multiply the church, and we won't be small. As far as we serve Him with a great mind, He will multiply us. Whenever we get to, the light of God will always shine in us. Thank you.